Welcome to Quick FACTOpedia. Today I'll tell you all about Newton's second law of motion. Hello friends, I'm Newton. Last time we talked about the first law of motion and how the unbalanced forces causes acceleration of an object. But when we give unbalanced force on an object, what factors causes acceleration of an object? Let's say I am applying net force of 10 Newton on the object, and the object accelerate till here. And when the net force of 5 Newton is applied on the same object, it accelerate till here. So it shows, more the force, more is the acceleration, and less the force, less is the acceleration. So hereby, the net force is directly proportional to the acceleration of the object. Now, if I have to move two objects, having different mass, with same amount of net force, then, let's see what happens. Here I'm applying 10 Newton of net force on 10 kilograms cabinet, and it moves this much, while I applied the same amount of force on the 5 kilograms cabinet. It moved this much. So here we can say, more the mass of an object, less is the acceleration, and less is the mass of an object, more is the acceleration. So here, the acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass of an object. Now, when we add all together, to see the relation, the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force applied, and inversely proportional to the mass of an object, resulting, the net force applied is equal to the mass and the acceleration of an object. Thus, Newton's second law of motion is stated as the acceleration of an object, as produced by a net force, is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force, in the same direction as the net force, and inversely proportional to the mass of the object. Hope you all understood the second law of motion. Hit like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.